Justin here with Freedom Motors. Today I want to show you the revolutionary, game-changing Chevy Traverse. These Chevy Traverses are not your ordinary wheelchair accessible vehicle. They give you the beautiful rear entry conversion that Freedom Motors has been doing for 30 plus years. We give you a 35-inch wide ramp, which gives you all the space in the world to get up and in. And you get your same, again, rear entry conversion that you've come to know and love from Freedom Motors. We have two different conversions for these ramp-wise. These come in a manual ramp where you have to manually pull the ramp down, or they come in a hydraulic automatic conversion by simply pressing the button on your key fob or the interior switch located next to the driver's steering wheel. So again, besides the manual ramp and the automatic conversion ramp, we do offer two different styles of conversion as well. You have your typical full cut conversion where the wheelchair rider can actually fit in between the two passenger seats to get them as close as possible. Or you also have the half cut conversion where we stop the conversion about right behind the OEM second row seating, so you still get your second row OEM, which is the original equipment. In the full cut as well, we offer a third row bench, a bench that sits flush against the wall and can come down as well in case you need more passengers. A recent game-changing innovation Freedom Motors has created is a power transfer seat on the driver's side of the Chevy Traverse. This allows a wheelchair user to drive entirely independently. We remount the OEM front seat onto a track so it transfers back into the second row and then swivels nearly 180 degrees for an easy transfer. Then we use the controller to swivel back and transfer forward into the front row for a comfortable driving experience. The transfer seat leaves all functionality of the OEM driver's seat completely intact, as well as maintaining the OEM center console, unlike other companies. These vehicles come standardly equipped with our commercial grade non-slip resistant flooring. They're very easy to clean, very durable. Our ramps are made with high strength structural grade aluminum. Very durable, very reliable. They're very easy to clean as well. Again, 35 inches wide, so you shouldn't have any issues with the width. All of our conversions here at Freedom Motors come with our standard 4-point Q-strength tie-down system. They come with manual strap standard, or you can upgrade to retractable tie-downs. Seating wise on the Traverse comes standard with our commuter bucket deluxe seats. These are two seats that we put in the middle that are customizable, a little thinner to fit or maximize the space in between the two seats. Now we move to the front seats. The front seats are like any of our other rear entry conversions. Those stay OEM. Everything up here is original equipment. We just put back in the vehicle your heated seats, your 6-way power seats, your lumbar support. Any of that is all OEM, as well as the OEM dashboard. All of that is just original equipment right there. Here at Freedom Motors, all of our conversions come with a standard 3-year or 36,000 mile warranty. This right here, again, is our revolutionary, game-changing Chevy Traverse. Feel free to give us a call or reach out at our website at www.freedommotors.com. Thank you.